In this video, I will show you how to find planks in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is obtain wood. So you want to get a forest axe like I've got here, and then what you want to do is start chopping down some trees. Now pretty much any trees do contain wood, so you just want to go up to the tree and basically start chopping it down. As you can see, it's going to drop wood and we can collect that just like so. Now once that's done, what you're going to want to do to get planks is build yourself a lumber mill. So you can do this by opening up the build menu, and under utilities you can see the lumber mill here. So you need a total of 8 wood and 15 granite to build this. So once you've got the resources, you can go ahead and build this here. So all you need to now do is go up and interact with the lumber mill, and as you can see, you've got the option to turn your wood into planks. So it costs 1 wood to build 1 plank. So you just want to go ahead and basically deposit that into the lumber mill. As you can see, that's currently processing through. It just takes a second or two, and when that's complete, you will receive a plank. So you can just take that like so. And that is how to go ahead and find planks in LEGO Fortnite. So I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.